Here is a wonderful 2020 Nissan Altima. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance. Spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.